Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Ports, where we tell you about all the shipping related accidents. And tourist news is one of the tanker fire in Singapore Strait. Fire erupted on board of the product tanker Hoi on number 7 near Horseberg Lighthouse, eastern Singapore Strait. The ship worth cargo of oil products was en route from Singapore to Philippines. Fire, according to MP's Singapore statement, was extinguished. Crew evacuated. Last AIS received at around 5:30 UTC November 7th when tanker was underway full speed near Lighthouse. Number 8 update says that fire broke out in superstructure, engulfing the bridge. Product tanker Hoyu IMO 951105, deadweight tonnage 8925, built 2010, flag Panama, manager Sampo Co Limited, Japan. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment to our channel.